Hey eBay enthusiast, I'm excited to dive into a topic that many of you have asked us about, which is how to cancel or retract your bid on eBay. Whether you've had a change of heart or you have made a mistake, we've got you covered with the step-by-step instructions, so let's jump right into it. Obviously, if you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create your account here on eBay. You can choose from personal, from business, and all you're gonna do is just provide your full legal name, email, and password, or you can simplify the process by clicking on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. Now, once you've logged in, you might want to go here on the upper right corner wherein you can see that below the recently viewed, you can click on the bids and offers. Now, this might be a little different if you are using a seller sub, because I'm using a my eBay. Just click on it if you're using it as well. Now, here's one of the best ways when retracting a bid, because say for example you've made a mistake when bidding on an item, you can retract your bid in certain circumstances. Or if you are a seller looking to cancel a bid, it's a different process. But whether you place a bid, you're agreeing to buy the item if you win the auction. However, in some situations, you can retract your bid. All right. Now, the one of the simplest form to cancel or retract a bid is simply go to the offers that you have. Right now, I don't have. Okay, so go to bidding, right? All items, just click on it. And then obviously, if you have a lot of items here, it would auto-populate. Now, the seller significantly changed their description of the item. Then you can retract a bid. But these options are only applicable for up to 1 hour after making the bid when the listing is ending in less than 12 hours. And again, be mindful that any other bids can't be retracted, but you can still contact the seller to see if they agree to cancel a bid for you. Now, for you to be able to contact the seller, right, you might want to go here. You can simply just directly message the seller itself, or just go here at eBay customer service, wherein you can go to the contact a seller page. Now, there's a different method for canceling a buyer's bid. Now, basically, this is just the simplest and direct way for you to cancel a bid. Just go here to canceling bids placed on your listing if you are the seller. Basically, just enter the item number, and obviously you need to enter the username name of the member whose bid you're canceling, or you're canceling the bid, and select some reason for that. So you have 3 options. Like the buyer contacted you to cancel the sale, you can't verify the buyer's identity, or another reason. All I'm gonna do is click on submit, and that's basically how it is. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.